So believe me when I tell you, they're gonna eat that food up, and it won't be anything left by tomorrow. Might not be anything left by the end of the day. Right now, they do what they normally do. They fly down, they take a look at the spread that they have, they thank God because they'll look up and then they'll start, ah. Then they'll take some food and they'll fly back and then they'll consume what they eat and then they'll fly back to get some more. So like the food stays there. It's like they got a system and they know, okay, they take turns. They got it's almost like it's a bird community. They don't never really fight over the food. And it's like they know it's there. So it's like they're not in a rush to eat that food that I put down for them already, because it's like they know it's there. So you can have it, but let's go find other food elsewhere, kind of thing. You know what I mean? When you watch animals, you'll see how intelligent they really are. It's almost like they're having that food there in reserve. And they sporadically come back. But when they're having a feeding frenzy,